When every pass matters, power, precision, and performance make the difference. Uneven compaction, wasted fuel, and multiple passes slow down your job and cut into profits. Meet the TYPHON Fury 20, engineered to deliver consistent, high-density compaction with fewer passes. From highways and municipal roads to driveways, parking lots, and landscaping projects, this machine is ready. With 35 kilonewtons excitation force and 75 Hz vibration frequency, the Fury 20 ensures smooth, even results every time. A powerful hydraulic two-wheel drive, combined with precision front drum vibration, maximizes density on every pass. Powered by a 23-horsepower Briggs & Stratton USA engine, delivering reliable performance and fuel efficiency. A sturdy 2-ton frame and 36-liter fuel tank provide stability and extended operating hours on demanding sites. With 30% climbing ability, the Fury 20 handles slopes and uneven terrain with confidence. Its compact footprint and intuitive veer steering allow effortless movement in tight job sites. User-friendly controls, hydraulic steering, and an ergonomic seat reduce fatigue during long shifts. The electronically controlled pressure water spray system ensures even drum sprinkling while minimizing waste. Upgrade your compaction power. Choose performance. Choose TYPHON Fury 20.